Welcome to our e-learning video on the subject of the Democratic Party of Korea, often referred to as the Minju Party. Today, we'll delve into the origins, political influence, and key policies of this major South Korean political party, and explore its role in shaping contemporary South Korean politics. The Democratic Party of Korea was officially formed in 2014 through the merger of the new Political Democratic Union and the Democratic Party, both of which had roots that trace back to the pro-democracy movements of the 1980s. This merger was part of a broader effort to consolidate liberal and centrist forces in South Korea to create a robust opposition against the then-dominant Conservative Party. The Democratic Party of Korea positions itself as a center-left political entity, advocating for social justice, economic equality, and peaceful inter-Korean relations. It has played a significant role in South Korean politics, particularly in advocating for greater social welfare, labor rights, and transparent governance. The party's platform emphasizes the importance of addressing income inequality, enhancing public services, and ensuring that the benefits of economic growth are widely shared among all segments of society. Under the leadership figures like Jae-in, who served as president of South Korea from 2017 to 2022, the party has pushed for major reforms in areas such as corporate governance, labor laws, and government transparency. Moon's administration, which came to power following the impeachment of conservative President Park Geun-hye, was marked by a significant shift towards more progressive domestic policies and a conciliatory approach to North Korea, reflecting the party's advocacy for dialogue and engagement over confrontation. The Democratic Party of Korea has also been active in environmental issues, promoting policies to reduce South Korea's reliance on nuclear power and fossil fuels. In response to growing public concern about climate change and environmental sustainability, the party has supported initiatives aimed at expanding renewable energy sources and investing in green technology. In the realm of foreign policy, the Democratic Party of Korea advocates for a balanced approach to relations with major powers such as the United States and China. It supports strong security ties with the US, while also seeking to engage cooperatively with China on economic and regional security issues. The party's stance on inter-Korean relations is particularly notable, advocating for continued engagement and dialogue with North Korea, a policy that has influenced South Korea's approach to its northern neighbors significantly during periods of liberal governance. Despite facing challenges such as political scandals and criticisms over handling of certain domestic issues, the Democratic Party of Korea remains a central force in South Korean politics. Its influence is evident in its substantial support base among younger South Koreans and those who prioritize progressive social policies, democratic governance, and peaceful foreign policy. In conclusion, the Democratic Party of Korea continues to shape South Korea's political landscape, championing progressive policies and striving to address the needs and concerns of a diverse electorate. Its ongoing impact reflects the dynamic nature of democratic governance and the evolving political priorities of the South Korean public. Thank you for watching this video. If you found our discussion on the Democratic Party of Korea insightful and want to learn more about global political movements and their impacts, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Your support helps us continue to bring important political insights to our viewers.